Hello beautiful, this is Kirasecret Skincare. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, you're welcome. Thank you to all my amazing subscribers. But guys, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe, like and share my video. Yeah, today I'll be showing you guys how I made this 40 liters of Snow White 3 days whitening lotion. This lotion is super effective, very strong. Okay guys, I'm just showing my client, this customer. She's rebranding. She stays in the US. She said, Mommy Kira, make this lotion and oil for me. This is porcelain oil. This is the 10 liters of porcelain strong whitening oil. Okay. I just showed her the oil, everything, because she got 10 liters. Then she also got some other items, like she got this glutathione strong tube. Okay. She wants to resell all these things. Okay. Then I was showing her that I've bubble wrapped everything. Although I'm not the one that bubble wrapped it. I got someone to do that job for me. You understand? I showed her everything. I was just showing her the Snow White 3 days whitening lotion. You can see the way I was videoing it, showing it to her that, man, we've wrapped everything. Okay, because she said, Mommy Kira, I want a very strong lotion that will whiten my customer skin. Okay, she got this assurance knuckle oil. You understand me? And she got over 10 pack. She got 10 pack of this oil. Okay, I was just showing her, telling her that this lotion works very well because she has bought it and she loves it. Okay, she wants to repackage and start selling to our customers. You know, guys, like I always explain to you guys, it's not everything you produce. Let Mommy Kira produce for you. Tell her what you want. Tell me what you want and I will do it. Okay, I was counting everything for her. I was showing her this is assurance. Okay, I'm showing her the packaging, that look at it. We've packaged it to the porcelain oil. She got 10 liters of porcelain whitening oil, because she said she wants a whitening oil that our customer will be using on their skin, that will whiten their skin. You understand me? I said, okay, that is no problem. I did that. I packaged everything. You understand? She was so happy. You understand me? Then she said, okay, she got 9 carton of Secret White strong whitening concentrate. She got 9 carton. Yes, 9 carton. That is it. I'm showing her that, man, look at the carton of your Secret White strong whitening concentrate, because you know what Secret White concentrate does is that we have both the concentrate, we have the serum, and we have the oil. If your production, maybe you have a lotion and your production is not working at all, you can use your serum or your concentrate or your oil, put it inside, mix it. You understand me? It's for those people that have tough skin that product don't work on. Okay, but she's reselling them all. She's reselling them. You understand me? She said, Mommy Kira, I want a strong concentrate that works very well. I was showing it to her, showing her everything. But guys, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share my video. Also follow me on my Instagram page at Kirasecret Skincare. Follow us on our logistic page at Kirasecret Logistics. Also follow us on my Facebook page and TikTok at Kirasecret Logistics, Kirasecret Skincare. And also you can shop on my website at www.kirasecretskincare1.com. She went to my website and placed all these orders. Okay, she just went to my website and placed all these orders. You understand me? And this lotion, it works. It works like fire. You understand me? Look at how I was packaging them all. The concentrate, I was showing her. Okay, look at it. Well, I was counting it for her. You understand me? Letting her to see everything. You know, Mommy Kira, I'm very transparent and I'm very honest. You understand? As long as you've paid me my money, I will do your job for you. I'll just say, okay, give me maybe some days. Let me produce everything. And I will advise you. I always advise my clients. How is your customer? How does your customer want it? I will do it. Look at it. I've packaged it. I've put it in the box. I was just showing her. You understand me? So that I can seal it, because we use air freight for her. That is air cargo for her. Air cargo takes 2 weeks. Okay, air cargo takes 2 weeks. Okay, 2 weeks to get to 2 to 3 weeks, because sometimes it will get to the US 2 weeks before custom will clear it and all that. Let's say close to 3 weeks, but officially it's 2 weeks. You understand me? Because it's cheaper. I encourage her to use air cargo, because air cargo is cheaper. Sea cargo takes time. Sea cargo takes more than 1 month. Sea cargo it might take 2 months. Sometimes sea cargo takes 2 months. Sometimes it takes more than. Sometimes it takes lesser than. It depends. But I always advise my customer to use air cargo. You understand me? Air cargo is still cheaper and it's still better. I wrapped everything very well, because it's money she spent. This thing is going to the US, New York precisely. You understand me? And then I package everything properly. Guys, you can go to my website and shop at www.kirasecretskincare1.com. Even though you want to buy wholesale, is there on the website. Even though you want to buy retail, small sizes, pieces, is on the website. We deal on both retailers and also wholesalers. If you want to repackage, let Mommy Kira repackage for you. Okay, I can do it in liters, then you repack. You don't need to be producing everything. Let us produce for you. We promise. Okay, we promise. Mommy Kira promise for a living. Let me know what you want, then I will advise you and tell you, okay, do it like this, do it like this. But if you feel you want to do it your way, I will listen to you, because you are the one paying. Okay, I love good customers. I love good review. You understand me? It's not everything, like I normally say, it's not everything you produce yourself. Let Mommy Kira produce for you. Okay, guys, please subscribe, like, and share my video. You can see the way I was just showing her everything. Showing her everything. Please watch my videos, because I'm dropping recipes on how I produce all these things. Okay, I'm dropping recipes. Please like and share my video. Guys, you can also go to my website. We sell instant white. Also we have our Arabian super whitening, strong whitening lotion. The set is on the website. Very effective. Guys, if you want to ship, you want Mommy Kira to ship for you, we ship to your doorstep. We do DHL shipping. We also do cargo. And every shipment we are doing, we are providing tracking numbers. You understand me? We did this shipping for these customer. This the kg of this is over 102 kg. You understand me? And because of the wrapping and the way we seal everything, there's no spillage, there's no damage, nothing of such. Guys, if you want to ship, let Mommy Kira ship for you. We are the number one, the champion. We ship and we deliver. We don't just ship, we ship and we follow up. Okay, and this is everything. Look at how we package our item. This is how we shipped it. Love you. Bye bye.